going to show you how to put the yarn on your hand. Last time I showed you how to do a slip knot. We can review. So I have this hand right here. My right hand's at the end of the tip. And here's the ball of yarn. And this end is on the ball of yarn. And it's just easier for some people to take this end and make a loop like that and put your finger on it, hold that, take your right hand and put your thumb and your pointer right there and pinch that yarn through and take your left hand and pull the tail. There you have a slip knot. And then you pull it like this to tighten it. Another thing you need to know how to do is how to hold your thread. Some people hold it different ways, but this is how I hold it. I put my hand like this, and the slip knot end is going to go around the pinky. I'm going to wrap it around. Then I'm going to go like this and put it between these two fingers and turn my hand around, and it's going to look like this. So once again, I'm going to lay my hand on top of the yarn, and put my hand on top of the yarn and wrap my pinky with the yarn. Then bring it across the two middle fingers and then put it under the finger next to the thumb and turn your hand around. And that's where it is. And then you're going to put your hand up and the thumb and the finger right here, is going to hold your slip knot. So that's what we're doing. We're holding the slip knot with this. So once again, hand down on the yarn, wrap your pinky with the yarn, come across the two middle fingers and put this between those two fingers right there. And it comes between the thumb and that finger. Turn it around. It should look like this. And then you're going to pick it up with your thumb and your finger and hold your slip knot with these two fingers. And that is how I hold my yarn when I crochet.